Tired of crowded counters and complicated dinner prep? Meet the Ninja DoubleStack, the smart space saver. Its vertical design keeps your kitchen feeling open. 2 baskets, stacked neatly, without hogging precious space. That means more cooking power in less room. First reason to buy. Cook 2 foods at once. Make wings and fries, or salmon and veggies. Smart Finish helps both baskets end together perfectly. No waiting, no reheating, no juggling timers. Dinner gets easier when everything lands hot together. Second reason, big family capacity, serious flexibility. This 8-quart air fryer feeds up to 6 people. It can handle up to 2 pounds of wings. Perfect for game night, weeknights, and hungry kids. You get fast meals without firing up the oven. Third reason, 6 cooking modes in one machine. Air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. That means one appliance replaces several countertop tools. Crispy snacks, roasted dinners, and easy leftovers are covered. And cleanup? It stays refreshingly simple. Dishwasher-safe parts make after-dinner mess disappear fast. No scrubbing marathon after a busy meal. So you save time from cooking to cleanup. If you love quick, healthier meals, this is it. If you need family-size convenience, this is it. If your kitchen needs smart space solutions, this is it. The Ninja DoubleStack brings speed, capacity, and versatility. It's the kind of upgrade you feel every day. Ready to make dinner smarter and easier? Tap now and bring home your Ninja Air Fryer.